What up, guys? Happy Sunday Funny. Let's get into it for the Forex trading currency analysis here. Let's go into it. So, US dollar is trying to strike a move back up. So buying the US dollar, looking for the DXY. If you don't know what the DXY is, the US dollar currency, okay, US dollar index, okay. Just in case. So I go from DXY to US dollar. Everything I do is on TradingView. Like I said, I always recommend you guys to look at TradingView so that you guys can understand where I'm going with my analysis and where I'm basing my analysis for weekly swinging and weekly swing signals. So for the weekly charts here, we are buying the US dollar index for this week. I'm anticipating the move back up to 105, and then we'll see if it breaks even higher than that. Like I said, this is my zone structure that I have. These are two horizontal lines that I have zoned out on, from the low from uh the beginning of last week, and then what I'm anticipating for the high is going to be for by the end of this week. So we'll see how that all plays out. Indices. Let's talk about indices. US 30 finally dropped back after hitting a high of 41, almost 41,500. That's pretty insane, the amount of craziness that this thing has gone up to. So I'm really shocked to see how this is all being played out. But like I said, selling it back down, inverted hammer pin candle here. If you understand the candlestick Bible. If you don't, like I said, the book is in the paid chat group. So like I said, it's free. Particularly into understanding candlesticks. Like I said, mainly I look at price action and candlesticks. That's all I do now. So, but yeah, looking for Wall Street to come back down. US 30 hit back down to 40,000. It might retrace back up for tomorrow because of how much it shot down on Friday. So we'll see how that plays up. I'm still selling it, so that's what I'm doing. Selling S&P back down to 5,500. And then we'll see if it breaks below that. So, like I said, I don't want to go too crazy on doing a massive sell on S&P 500 or any of the indices yet. Nasdaq was the one that dropped the most on Friday, dropping back from big. Let's see what it hit. 20 didn't hit the highest, but 20,600 back down 19,500. So pretty much 1,000 point drop here. So pretty insane. And so looking for it to drop back down 19,000, selling all the indices. So that's what the plan is selling all the indices, buying the US dollar, selling gold, we're selling silver. So that's all I'll be looking at. Gold is dropped back down, hit a peak high of 20, almost 2,500. Dropped back down to 2,400, exactly at 2,400. So selling it back down to 2,350. And then my next big target would be to come back down to 2,300. When it comes back down to 2,300, the main, like I said, the weekly support is sitting at 2,291. So that's not far away from 2,300. So pay close attention once it comes back down there. It might end up just bouncing itself back up. Okay, so silver has come back down to support price of 29. Still selling silver to break 29. If it doesn't break 29, we might end up buying it. So this pair sometimes ends up moving up on its own, and not following what gold is doing. So just pay close attention to what's going to happen from here because this is the weekly support at 29.20, and if it doesn't go below $29, it might just end up just be well prepared to buy and look at the daily and the 4-hour charts. All right, so buying UJ bounced back up from 155. So buying it, we're looking, the first target is 158, and then the second target is 159, and then the third one would be 160. UCAD going back up, buying UCAD, looking for this pair to break 138. That's all I'm looking at. If it does not break 138, I'm just gonna end this up back down because there's just too much consolidation at this price, this zone structure here, and I don't want to get too caught up here. It's just been going up here, back down, up here, and then back down. It's just been stuck in this same pattern of going up and down between 136 and 137. So uh not ideally for holding on for that one. Okay, just pay. That's not one of my pairs to hold on It like I said, personally, if that pair is not doing a whole lot for that week or the past week, I shift down my positions to micro lots. I don't go up on a standard lot. Okay, I go down. All right, especially if you're weekly swing. So let's go into U-Swiss here. Buying U-Swiss, looking for this pair to break 80. Where is that right now? Yeah, 89, and then the next move will be 90, and that's all I'm going to shoot for. Because every time it shot up to 90 before for the past 2 weeks, it's been shooting itself back down. Selling euro. Euro finally hit a resistance at 1096. So it's at 108. It's selling back down to 1080. And then we'll see if it breaks back down on 107. And like I said, I'm gonna highlight this. Too much of this going on, so just be well prepared on what could possibly happen. We could end up just seeing more consolidation, and who knows what's gonna happen from there. So, like I said, just don't get too caught up here. All right, guys. Let's get into it here. Euro British pound. We are buying this pair, looking for this pair to finally break 80. Was it 84? No, 84.1. So we'll see if it breaks 85, and that's as high as I'm gonna go because right before 85, it shots up back down even further. So it'd be 84.91, this price right here, and then we will see if it breaks above 85. It does not, then again, it's selling back down. All right, the pound here, we're selling the pound. I'm looking for the pound to break below back to 128. That's gonna be the first target, and then the next target will be 127, and that's as low as I'm gonna go. Unless major drop, I guess. So massive move and massive drop for both Australia and New Zealand dollar here. So selling both of them. Selling the Australian dollar back to 66. And then the second move would be a breakdown to 65. And then the third move would be 64. So I'll get another, that would be a big, massive bearish candle here. And then selling New Zealand dollar back down to 59, break the weekly support, and then back down to 58. And that's be the next one. And top it off would be 57. So two good pairs on when they these are two better pairs to sell. But we'll see how much euro and pound drops for this week. As far as for hold on, I'm just trying to see what's going on for this. All right, a lot of big news, a lot of red news for Wednesday, London sessions, and we got Canada's rate statement on Wednesday morning, which I'm probably gonna miss out on this. Yeah, I'm gonna miss. I'll still send out the rate statement, but yeah, I'm gonna miss out on this for sure. GDP for US on Thursday, and G20 meeting starts Thursday and coming to the weekend. So other than that, that's pretty much it for the economic calendar for this week. So there's nothing. There's no news, no economic news for Monday. So that's pretty interesting. Usually there's something, but I'm really shocked that there's nothing for Monday. There's only 2 news for Tuesday, and then the big days Wednesdays and Thursdays. So of this week. So other than that, let me know in the chat group if you guys have any questions in regards to the weekly swing signals or the analysis. Peace out, guys. Yeah, so let's talk about what we're doing for cryptocurrency here. And it's Sunday, so let's get into it here. All right, so I'm gonna be selling all the cryptocurrencies. Just a lot of consolidation over the weekend. Not a whole lot of movement, and there wasn't a lot of volume of trading. So, but I just held on all the selling positions from Friday and all the way till now. You can see that Bitcoin and most of the cryptocurrencies are dropping back. So I'm looking for Bitcoin to come back down to break down to 66,000, and then we'll see if there's any high volume trading, high liquidity. And so if there isn't, we'll probably just end up seeing a lot of tight, narrow price ranges and tight, narrow zone structures. And if Bitcoin's really not moving a whole lot, there might be some other alternate coins that might move faster. Well, I'd be paying more attention to Bitcoin itself. But that's the plan, is to see where it's going to drop back to 66,000. That's be my first target. As far as for Ethereum, it's selling Ethereum back down to 3,400, and then we'll see if it goes below 3,400. There is the first support price on the daily here at 34, so we'll see how that all plays out when it comes back down. Litecoin is trying to break this resistance at 73 to hit 75, but I'm still selling all the cryptocurrencies. So looking for selling Litecoin back down to 72, and then we'll see if it breaks back down to 71. Selling Shiba back down to the 1600 mark here, and then the next mark would be back down to the 14.1. Selling Dogecoin back down to it's at 13.1 cents. Solid back down to 12 cents in value, and then break back down to 11 and then 10 cents. Ripple, looking for Ripple to come back down to 57 cents and 55 cents, somewhere around there. Looks like it's still ranging in between from 60 to 59 cents. Selling Neo back down to $11, and then we'll see if it breaks below 11, back down to 10. Dash, Solana, and Zcash are shooting up. Okay, so these three pairs are shooting up. Like I said, still selling. I'm still selling them. Looking for them to drop, for Dash to drop back to 28, and then we'll see if it breaks below 28. And then Solana is a major move back up here. Might be probably one of the very few pairs that are not dropping along with Bitcoin. So we'll see if this pair actually drops back later on for today, or if it shoots even higher. Zcash shot really high. Now at the very top of these two past candle wicks here at 132. So we'll see if it breaks above even goals for there. It's highest percentage gain right now, 9.61% gain. Tezos, selling Tezos back down to 75 cents, and then we'll see if it breaks back down to 70 cents. So the three pairs right now there are massive buying opportunities: Zcash, Solana, and Dash. But overall, I have sell positions on all of them. So just pay close attention what all the other pairs are going to do. Except I'm paying more attention to Bitcoin itself. If something happens maybe later on tonight and they don't drop back at all and decide to go become a buying opportunity, we're going to just buy. All right, that's all I got for you guys for the cryptocurrency analysis. I now see you guys in the chat group. Peace out. Oh.